Today we're turning a normal photo into a clean monoline illustration, a style often used in modern icon sets and branding. Start by importing a portrait or object. Lower its opacity and lock the layer. Create a new layer above it and select the pen tool. Begin tracing the key outlines using smooth, continuous paths. Keep curves gentle, avoiding sharp angles for a flowing look. Once the shapes are complete, set the stroke between 4 to 6 pixels and use a single color, ideally black or dark charcoal. Add minimal detailing, just enough to represent the idea without clutter. Then hide the original image and adjust stroke weights to maintain balance. Add a few geometric shapes in the background to give the illustration a stylish frame. This technique is great for logo concepts, educational graphics,